He's a patient of sugar, diabetic as well as BP, and regularly, Your Lordship.
Sugar and diabetes are nowadays. Yes.
Your Lordship, this revision application has been filed against the order of conviction under section 408 of the IPC. While order dated 21/7/2022, Your Lordship had been pleased to remove the defects. An IA application filed for exemption from surrendering has been filed and is pending before this honorable court, and for that purposes, Your Lordship, this matter has been listed today. So, Your Lordship, the only ground for requesting exemption of this petitioner from surrendering is the age of the petitioner, Your Lordship, that is about 69
Why it has
years.
come under heading to be mentioned?
Because the defects have not yet been, the only defect remaining is surrender.
Because of that, because
Yes.
you didn't file the surrender certificate,
Yes,
so
sir.
they have mentioned it.
Yes.
All right. You want to argue on this?
Yes, Your Lordship. On the
All right. Argue.
So, Your Lordship, the present IA, that is IA number 2 of 22, that has been filed for the exemption of this petitioner to surrender before the learned court below on the ground of the age of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Only age will not do.
And also, Your Lordship, he is totally dependent on medicines, Your Lordship.
Where are the medical documents?
The medical documents have been annexed via annexure at page number 9, Your Lordship. Annexure 1 series to the IA application, 9 onwards. He's a patient of sugar, diabetic as well as BP, and regularly, Your Lordship.
Sugar and diabetes are nowadays.
It is common, it is admitted, Your Lordship, but at the age
I
of the
was
petitioner.
going through a report that within next few years, I do not remember the exact year which was mentioned, that about 69 crore people in the world will be suffering from diabetes. So merely by saying that he is suffering from diabetes, you can't make out an
He's
exceptional
dependent
case.
on medicines, Your Lordship. That is the point, that he's dependent
If
on
the IA number so and so has been filed seeking exemption from surrender. Full stop. Next line. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is an old age person suffering from various ailments and he may not sustain if he is compelled to surrender in order to get hearing of the revision application. Full stop. Next. Considering the submission, in order to ensure itself with the plea taken on behalf of the petitioner, this court directs the civil surgeon. Jahanabad है ना?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Civil surgeon Jahanabad to get examined the petitioner by a team of doctors and submit a report as to his present status of health. Full stop. Let such report be submitted within 3 weeks from today. List the interlocutory application for consideration after 3 weeks.
11th.
Much obliged.